Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're gonna talk about the Casio Skeleton, the GA-2100SKE-7AER. In the box there is an international warranty card. And there is also a 5.611 caliber buck included. The watch comes in a grey camo G-Shock box. And here it is, the GA-2100SKE-7AER. The watch has a mineral glass and is 20 bar water resistant. The case of the watch has a diameter of 45.4 mm and is 11.8 mm thick. The case is made of carbon. The strap of this watch is made of plastic and has a bandwidth of 90 mm. On the back of the case it says carbon core guard. This is a type of structure Casio used to integrate in the case. This makes the watch very tough and light. The hands and indexes are made of loom and the watch itself is transparent. That's where the nickname Skeleton came from. And they also call this model the Casio because the bezel of this watch has the same shape as the bezel of the Royal Oak series from Audemars Piguet. The watch has a few functions, such as a timer, stopwatch, date and day function, and there's also a world time function. This is what the watch looks like on my wrist. If you're interested in buying this watch, I've got some great news for you, because we have still 2 models left in our stock. Check it out, the link's in the description. Thank you guys so much for unboxing this watch with us. If you liked the video, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel.